Hello, it's Friday the 17th. I'm FxPlew and this is the market brief. So you mark my words, it won't be long before the Bank of England brings the rate hike cycle to an end. At that point, the markets will have a view on the underlying strength of the UK economy, and that will translate to the value of sterling. The concern is, of course, that there are very few reasons to buy sterling at the moment away from the current yield appeal of tightening monetary policy. So when that crutch is removed, sterling could sell off pretty hard, and especially against the euro, because the ECB is thought to have about another 1% left in the tanks there. It's been quite a while since sterling was stripped of support and reliant on the basic economic fundamentals. So if the pound is going to stand up to that scrutiny, Hunt's budget on March the 15th will need to be pretty inspiring and definitely show the government remains fully committed to economic growth. No pressure then, Jeremy. Over in the US, the Fed is setting the pace and is expected to be the first central bank to bring the rate hike cycle to a close. Powell has been pretty staunch in his defence of Fed policy to tackle inflation above all else, and has maintained the view that the economy will avoid a damaging recession. The continued strength of the employment data has certainly played into his hands there. There are still some questions floating around as to why the Fed only delivered a 25 basis point rate hike last time out when inflation is still not falling as fast as many would like to see. The Fed minutes are due out next week, and they will hopefully shed some more light on that one. But most of the January data suggest a much more robust economy than we had in Q4 last year. The dollar index broke out to test the high of the year so far. We topped out around 104.25 yesterday. Sterling attempted a rally towards 121, but ran into a wave of selling pressure that drove it back down to about 119.65, and we closed under 120 for the first time since early January. We opened lower, we're around 119.50 against the dollar, we're about 112.35 against the euro, and euro dollar is around 106.45 this morning. Go on the dollar. Right, that's it from me, capping off another week. Thanks for joining me. I'll be back again on Monday. All the best.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FxPlew.